our beautiful dreams to life.
We may have some issues right here, but I almost think we should grab that one and spin it around and try it.
Okay, 10-4.
Okay, and just see if it fits here on an angle like that.
Yeah.
You know?
Does that bring us to...
Now this is the paver stone. Oh. And the rock comes right to here.
Cardboard. The rock does go to there.
Rock goes to this point.
Cardboard go back that far?
Yes. We're gonna make it with this piece. We're just gonna make it with this piece. Right at that fence.
I like that.
We get gardens there anyway.
Yeah.
So
Therefore, I like that.
here's the edge of that red stone.
So
We just left this long.
but there's a little notch in there. Oh no, it's not. Yeah. Oh, that one.
Right.
So that could be a problem.
Well, as I say, we got our bricks coming up to here.
Okay, so we can just cut to fit there.
Cut to fit there.
Okay.
Except for
Okay.
that.
Well, I'll tell you what. Then why don't we?
Feeling pretty good with it.
I mean, there's a fair amount of work involved in this.
Yeah.
I wonder if we should put up the tent.
Probably a good idea.
You know what I mean?
Just
Just because there's like all the machine, there's all the tracing.
Yeah, there's lots
This is
of
the hottest part of the property, more or less. Normally, well, I wouldn't have done a template 20 years ago, right? That kind of thing. We just would have started cutting and there would have been a lot of scrap pieces. But this stuff's really expensive, like really expensive. So you want to kind of keep the pieces down to a minimum, you know, and try to make things fit. So doing the template makes it easier, turns it into a system.
We can adjust that ourselves. Whoa! Yeah.